Hey guys, it's me, Steppenwolf117. I'm going to try McDonald's. Pretty awesome. The fries. They're good. They're very fresh but salty at the same time. Now, this guy said to try chicken nuggets from McDonald's. That's what I'm going to do. Chicken nuggets. They're very tender. They're very tender. Moist. Not dry. That's good. And it's white meat. Very good. I very much love it. Now for couldn't get a Big Mac, by the way. Not going to get a Big Mac. Instead it was a cheeseburger. For example, it was not a cheeseburger, it's a bacon cheeseburger. Now one moment, guys. Now this is the quarter pound cheeseburger right here, quarter pound. The bacon cheeseburger has this rich to it, this rich tint, good flavor. The meat is very good, juicy with the cheese and the crisp of the bacon is really good. It tastes really good. The crisp of the bacon is really good, guys, and I appreciate this eating it. And I love it so much, guys. I really do love it. It's really good, guys. I really do love it. It's like amazing. Very amazing. It's pretty good. I really love it. It's like 10 out of 10. This 10 out of 10. The nuggets 9 out of 10, but 10 at the same time. The fries 5 out of 10. It's like in the middle, by the way. Now that's all. 10 out of 10. All of it is going to be 10 out of 10. Really good. I love it. I love McDonald's. If you need to comment down below, hit a thumbs up, and come and use the notification squad, join the notification squad, and comment down below if you liked it or if you going to buy it, and you should buy it. It's really awesome. Comment down below if it's a dope or nope, because this is a dope. Bye bye, guys. Hey guys, I forgot to tell you this. The meat in the quarter pound bacon cheeseburger was way too greasy in the end.
I gave you my heart.